In this video, you will cover adding logic to your app. You will learn how to use the different types of flows used in Mendix and extend our image library application with some custom logic. Let's create a microflow to validate the user has entered a detailed title and description for the images they upload. Navigate to the new edit page we created in the Pages video. Here you need to replace the default save action with a microflow. To do this, right-click on the Save button and click Edit on Click Action. Next, in the pop-up window, set Call a Microflow as the on-click action. You will then automatically be asked to select a microflow. Choose to create a new flow and name it ACT, Validate, and Save. Add a decision to the flow, the orange diamond, from your toolbar. Double-click on the decision to open and edit its properties. It will require a caption and a expression. Enter the caption as has title and enter this expression. This expression applies a trim function to trim any white space from the string and then checks to see if the string is empty, resulting in a true or false result. Next, in your microflow, you will need to create a path for each branch of the decision. Click and drag away from the decision to create a branching path for the false result. On the false path, we will add a validation feedback action to provide feedback to the user to enter a value for this field. Next, on the true path, we must repeat this for the description. If the data being validated passes successfully, we can add a commit action to store it in the database before redirecting the user to the home page. Sometimes you might encounter a process which has many steps or takes place over a longer period of time. In these scenarios, you may want to use a workflow. Workflows are a little different to microflows. They are generally called by the system and thus they are better at handling system tasks, like automating reports and choreographing complex user processes. To create a new workflow, right-click on a module or folder and select Add Workflow. It will require a name and an entity as its starting context. Workflow's unique advantage is the ability to add tasks for multiple users, as well as to split parallel to the main path. All user tasks and splits can be configured to wait or jump tasks, depending on what's needed. You can also extend your workflows by calling microflows for more complex operations. Also make sure to download Workflow Commons, which is a free-to-use module to extend workflows with common functionality. You've mastered the basics of application logic in Mendix. To learn more, visit docs.mendix.com.